sa ground.
Ano sikreto niyo sa pagdetrain ng fighters? Mukhang lahat yata na hinahawakan niyo nagja-champion.
Strategy, conditioning, stamina. Yan lang naman kailangan kasi mayroong ibang boxers na mahirap turuan. So, kailangan lang naman may stamina sila. You know, there's a lot of Mexican fighters that can't really fight because of their condition, you know, their conditioning, their stamina. So, just like this guy, the guy who beat Castillo. He's not really a good fighter, but his stamina.
Yeah. So how did you get into boxing?
Oh, I started with my two sons.
In the Philippines or we're here in America? Did you just do it for a hobby or?
Actually, I just bring him to the gym because his Nonit's older brother getting into some Filipino kids trying to recruit him into the gang. That's why after I get up from work, so I decided to bring him to the gym too.
Let's talk about Marvin. What do you think is special with Marvin? Why do you think he was able to become a world champion so early in his career?
He hits hard. He hits really hard. So as long as he will land his punches, there's no doubt that his opponent will not go down.